Microsoft Excel is a versatile spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft, used globally for organizing data and performing financial analysis. Its key features include data entry, management, financial modeling, and charting. Hello everyone. I am Jahangir Alam from Jahangir Study Hub. In this video I will discuss Microsoft Excel for beginners. At first I will open Excel blank worksheet. This is Excel blank worksheet. Now I will save this worksheet to desktop with name of sale amount. This is called Excel workbook. Now I will open sale amount workbook from desktop. This is Excel worksheet 1. You can create multiple Excel worksheet. Now I will rename these worksheet. Click mouse right button. Click rename. Put up worksheet name. This is Excel column. This is Excel rows. This is Excel cell. Now I will create a database. Here database. Column names are name of product, unit, quantity 1, quantity 2, quantity 3, total quantity, net quantity, unit price, total amount, day, and amount per day. Now I will add data. Now I will place border for database. Select database. Go to Home tab. Click Border menu. Click All Border. To delete border, select Database. Go to Home tab. Click Border menu. Click No Border. This is column header. Now I will highlight column header. Select column header. Go to Home tab. Click Fill Color. Click your required color. Now I will create column based on total quantity, net quantity, total amount, amount per day. Considering formula apply. Now I will calculate total quantity. Put up equal sign in total quantity column. Click cell of quantity, 1 column. Put up plus sign. Click cell of quantity, 2 column. Put up plus sign. Click cell of quantity, 3 column. Press enter. Now I will calculate net quantity. Put up equal sign in net quantity column. Click cell of quantity, 1 column. Put up plus sign. Click cell of quantity, 2 column. Put up first bracket. Put up minus sign. Click cell of quantity, 3 column. Press enter. Now I will calculate total amount based on net quantity column and price column. Put up equal sign in total amount column. Click cell of net quantity column. Put up multiply sign. Click cell of price column. Press enter. Now I will calculate amount per day. Put up equal sign in amount per day column. Click cell of total amount column. Put up divide sign. Click cell of day column. Press enter. Now I will highlight cell. Select any cell of database. Go to Home tab. Click Fill Color. Click your required color. Now I will highlight font. Select any cell of database. Go to Home tab. Click Font Color. Click your required color. Now I will create text align. Select Database. Go to Home tab. Click Text Align. Now I will set up font size. Select Database. Go to Home tab. Click Font Size. Click your required font. Now I will set up font. Select Database. Go to Home tab. Click Font. Click your required font. Now I will insert rows based on database. Select required row. Click mouse right button. Click Insert. Now I will insert column based on database. Select required column. Click mouse right button. Click Insert. To delete rows, select required row. Click mouse right button. Click Delete. To delete column, select required column. Click mouse right button. Click Delete. Now I will show copy and paste data. This is cell data. Now I will copy this cell data and paste it to another cell. Select cell data. Click mouse right button. Click Copy. Go to required cell, where data will paste. Click mouse right button. Click Paste. Now I will print this database. Click File menu. Click Print. From Copies, select your required copy. From Printer Status, select your printer. From Pages, select your required page. From Orientation, select your orientation portrait or landscape. From Paper Size, select your required paper size. From Page Setup, select required page setup. Click OK. Click Print.